NHS Digital is the organisation that runs all the national technology systems for the NHS. We have a unique opportunity post this very difficult pandemic to make a radical set of improvements to the services that the NHS provide. There are a couple of things that are essential to NHS Digital's success over the next 2 years. The first is to continue what we're doing, which is developing incredibly powerful digital solutions. But just as importantly, it's going to be about how we work with and partner with the organisations around us, with our colleagues in NHSX and NHS England. But we need to do that working in close partnership with those people around us who really understand the operational service, the people who are at the sharp end of the NHS, if you like, working with them to transform what they do, enabled by digital solutions. NHS Digital, together with the rest of the NHS family, have learnt an awful lot over the course of the pandemic, particularly around the use of data. We've been able to use data in a completely different way. We've, for example, created the shielded patient list, which has allowed us to keep people who are most at risk of COVID safe during the pandemic. It's enabled us to think about what we could do with data in the future to really significantly improve the healthcare in the UK. My leadership principles are incredibly important to me. The first is people first. So this is all about people. It's about people working together, and it's about relationships between people to get things done. It's about being ambitious and goal-orientated. It's about being empowering. And for me, what that means is making sure that the team around me feel that they can take accountability for what they need to and make decisions that are in their remit. It's about high integrity in all that we do. And finally, and most importantly for me, it's about leading by example. For me, it's incredibly important as a leader to not just say the right things, but do the right things as well. Diversity and inclusion is vital for NHS Digital. And it's vital for one simple reason, because it's just the right thing to do. The steps we're taking to improve diversity and inclusion include setting some targets, being clear about the proportions of people from different backgrounds that we want to recruit into the organisation, encourage talent from all different parts of society, all different groups in society. And that in turn allows us to represent the people who we serve in a way that is more understanding and representative of the nation as a whole. So why would you want to join NHS Digital? Well, I think it might be because of the same reasons that I wanted to join NHS Digital earlier this year. It's because this is an amazing organisation that does incredible things for this nation to improve healthcare. We can make an incredible difference to the way that the NHS performs. That is the most amazing journey to go on, a journey with purpose and challenge. And at the end of it, I think the sense of satisfaction is going to be phenomenal.